Hi, my name's Luke. In this video we're going to go through an installation of photography orders. Now we're doing this installation for Boroi Photography, and as you can see they've got an absolutely fantastic website. So what we'll do is we'll get started on the install. Now I've just downloaded the tarball from the site. It's also available in zip. So the first thing we have to do is unzip or extract this folder, and then we need to upload it to the FTP server. Okay, so we've extracted it. Now we can go into it, and there's install instructions here. Okay, so we'll start at the top. We need to log on to the FTP server, which I'll do now. Let me clean this up a bit. Okay, so I just clicked Alt and then File, Login As. Now, we'll just log in here. Just copied and pasted those credentials from off the screen, and we've got the root folder for our installation here. So now we want to go into public HTML, which is where the website will be presiding, and we're going to need to make a new folder for the installation to go into. So we'll call it clients. Actually, we'll call it orders. No, I'll change my mind again, we'll go clients. Okay, so we've done that. Let's go back to the installation instructions here. So we've created a folder. Now we have to create a MySQL database. That means we have to go into the control panel, which I haven't done this ahead of time, so I'm just doing this as we go. Okay, so we need to go into cPanel. This is host monster, it looks like. So this is cPanel though, and this is what most people will have. Might look a bit different. Host monster have a theme, and they've got some pop-ups for me to get rid of. Okay, but most people, or most servers generally come with control panel. So in control panel, the way to do it, we have to find something called a database. Databases, here we go. So we need to create a database. There's actually a wizard where we can create the database. So instead of going this, I'll go back, and we can do it all in one shot by doing the database wizard here, MySQL database wizard. Okay, so let's call this P orders, the name of the database. The username, we'll create a username called P orders, and the password, I'm not going to tell you. Actually, it doesn't matter because you'll see it anyway, but it's going to change before you get on there. Okay. We need to tick all privileges, and I'll just copy this so that I've got it for quick reference. Okay, so now we've set up the database. Let's have a look what we have to do next. So now we have to go into the configuration file and do some settings in there. So let's open up config. The config file. This is going to take a while to open up Aptana. And we also have to open database.php, so we'll do that as well. Still just waiting for this to load. And the last one, dxauth.php. Okay, so now I've got Aptana open. So now I have to change this base URL to the base URL that we're going to be using. Okay, so we'll be using borrowphotography.com/orders.